Hi guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna. So for today's recipe, we are going to make a very traditional, very popular Haitian dish, which is rice and red kidney beans. So to start out, you just want to make sure you wash your beans in cold water and you are going to boil them. Just make sure you add plenty water and just a little bit of salt to the water and boil your beans. You're going to boil your beans until they're tender, and you'll know the difference because if the beans are not ready, like you can see right now, they're gonna be like a little bit tough and you're not really gonna be able to squeeze them. But once they're ready, they should kind of mash up a little bit. Like they're going to be really, really tender. Now that the beans are actually ready after boiling them for 45 minutes, you can see that they're really, really tender and they're soft and you can squish them. And you're going to separate the beans from the water and you're going to save both since you're going to use both in preparing your rice. And there you have it, guys. Rice is all done and dinner is served. Look at that. Everything came out so delicious. I ended up pairing the rice with some goat stew, which I will also include the link in the description box if you guys want to try making that as well. I served some salad, some fried plantains with pickles. Everything came out absolutely delicious and I would love for you guys to try it. So be sure to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments and I'll do my best to answer. Until next time, guys. Bye.